These are the steps I follow to grease a Delta single-handle kitchen faucet so it swivels smoothly. I covered the drain so nothing fell in, turned off both water lines under the sink. You don't have to turn them off if you're not removing the cartridge, but it's best to be safe. Move the faucet handle to the on position to remove the hot and cold indicator. There's an opening underneath you can catch with something pointy. The screw behind the indicator can be removed with a 1/8 inch Allen wrench. The handle comes off when the screw is removed. Twist the trim cap off by hand. At this point you can pull the sprayer out a little, then pull the body up to get to the base. Silicone grease is the lubricant I used. It cost $4.48 at a home store. I applied it around the top and bottom and made sure it turned smoothly before reassembling. Initially I couldn't pull the body up because it was stuck. Here's what I did. I'd already removed the nut and cartridge because I thought you had to, so I added multi-purpose oil inside the body's edge, and after 5 minutes I was able to work it up. If you do remove the nut and cartridge, I'd test the hot and cold from the faucet to make sure that both are actually off before removing. I'd also put the nut and cartridge back on before pulling the body all the way up so that the buildup inside doesn't fall in, and make sure the nut is secured back to the original tightness with the wrench so that water doesn't leak or spew.